Island girls, we're gonna try a different recipe this time. It's not the regular jerk chicken that we used to. This time it's peri peri chicken. Now I've been to Nando's a few times and I really enjoy their peri peri chicken. Now I've seen these recipes on TikTok and I decided I have to try out this peri peri chicken. So now I'm cutting up my onions, red bell peppers, and also some garlic. I'm gonna cut them up and I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil over it, season it up with my everything bagel, and put it in the air fryer. Now, usually when I'm doing a whole chicken, I like to brine my chicken before. This gives the chicken, especially the breast, more juiciness and more tenderness. So usually I brine it in. If you want the brine recipe, let me know and I'll do another video for you. But for now, it's usually salt, sugar, and your herbs, and I usually leave it in it for a few hours in the fridge in this mixer. So I know only turkey can brine, chicken can brine too, right? Now, although I'm not doing it whole, I prefer to cut it in half so that it's easier and you can flip it, easily flip it so that everything get color and everything cook really nice. Removing most of the skin and cleaning up the chicken really good because we are what? Island girls, right? Caribbean women. So after we clean up the chicken really nice, we're gonna make sure so we wash the chicken with vinegar. I didn't show this step, but of course, no question asked me. I'll go wash my chicken. And I usually season it up with my paprika, my onion powder, my garlic powder, black pepper, pimento is a must, and my Caribbean spice. After all of that well seasoned up, you're gonna rub it in really good. And while this is marinating, then of course I'm gonna take out my vegetables that I put in the air fryer, let that cool, and we're gonna blend it up in our magic bullet. Or you can use a blender, whichever one. If you've tried this recipe before, let me know and see how it look after it is done roasted. And I also added a little hot pepper for a little bit of spiciness, right? Now, after your chicken have been marinating for a while, then you're going to transfer it to your baking container, your baking dish. I'm using a Pyrex dish. And you're going to add the peri peri seasoning over top of it, right? Now, after that is done, you're going to bake it in the oven for about an hour and a half at 400 degrees. And I usually like to flip it over so that both sides get color. And after the 1.5 hours, then I put it in the air fryer a little bit more to give it that extra look like, could jerk. And voila, chicken nice